You may have seen posts on Facebook claiming that a handful of Memphis schools are HIV hotspots with dozens of students testing positive. Well, tonight, school and health officials are telling us that that information is not true. Fox 13's Jack Bilyeu joins us live at the Shelby County Health Department. Jack, just because those schools are not home to cluster cases, they're home to cluster cases rather, does not mean young people are not at risk.
Yeah, Darcy, an MSCS spokesperson told me that HIV data on a school-by-school level is not something that's available to them, and this is not something that they've reached out to any parents about. Now, the health department told Fox 13 that there are no HIV clusters at any high schools in Shelby County, though the infection rates among young people are alarmingly high. You might have seen this post in your social media feed, claiming that dozens of students at Hamilton and Whitehaven high schools have tested positive for HIV. The post has been shared thousands of times, but authorities say it's not true. The Shelby County Health Department told Fox 13 in a statement that it does not usually respond to social media posts, but would in this case. A spokesperson says there are no HIV clusters at schools in Shelby County, but the areas on your screen are where officials say sexually transmitted infections are spreading higher than the county's average.
So there's certainly not been any such release of that, and it would be hard to even know such a thing at this point.
Dr. Steve Threlkeld, the medical director of infectious diseases at Baptist Memorial, says it's unlikely that scientifically sound data could even get that specific. That said, the health department says it's seeing an alarming increase of new HIV cases, especially when it comes to those between the ages of 14 and 35.
In that age group, let's face it, there sometimes is less consideration of the long-term consequences of sometimes brief behavior.
Threlkeld says now is the time to talk to your children about HIV prevention.
Open, honest conversations with your kids is very important. It always has been, never more than now.
He says some of the efforts people should take include getting regularly tested, getting medicated if you test positive, and avoiding risky behaviors like sharing needles and unprotected sex.
We should think that anybody around us might have it because, very frankly, in our city, unfortunately, more than most, that could be true. So you should always assume that someone could give you this infection.
Now, because of that increase in infections, the Shelby County Health Department has compiled a list of locations that offer free HIV testing. You can find that list on our website, fox13memphis.com. Darcy?
That is Fox 13's Jack Bilyeu reporting live tonight. Thank you so much, Jack.